Intro 00 to 020. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you practical and real ways to earn $1,000 per month from home in the United States. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, retired, or just looking for extra income, these methods can work for you. Section 1. Freelancing 020 to 110. One of the easiest ways to make money from home is freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com let you offer skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, translation, or virtual assistance. Even if you work just 2 hours a day, you can easily make $1,000 a month by charging $10 to $25 per project. Section 2. Remote customer service jobs 110 to 150. Many US companies hire customer service representatives who work from home. Brands like Amazon, Apple, and American Express offer hourly pay starting from $15 to $20. Working 15 hours a week could get you to $1,000 per month comfortably. Section 3. Selling digital products 150 to 230. If you like creating things, sell digital products like printables, templates, or ebooks on Etsy or Gumroad. You just make the product once and keep earning from it again and again. Even 5 to 10 sales a day at $5 each can help you reach your $1,000 goal. Section 4. Online teaching or tutoring 230 to 310. Platforms like Cambly, VIPKid, and Wisent let you teach English, math, or any subject. Most pay between $15 and $25 per hour. Working 10 hours a week is enough to make $1,000 in a month. Section 5. Remote microtasks 310 to 340. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Appen pay users to do small tasks like surveys, data entry, or testing apps. With consistent effort, it's easy to make an extra few $100s that add to your income. Bonus tip 340 to 410. Another option is content creation, YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. Once you get traffic, ad revenue and sponsorships can help you hit $1,000 a month or more. Conclusion 410 to 440. All of these methods are beginner-friendly and can be started from your home with just a laptop and internet connection. If you stay consistent for 30 days, earning $1,000 a month is totally possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.